Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hassan and I am 12 years old and I study in Rehan School Foundation Level Batch 5 Online Academy. Today I am using call any. Don't speak English. But I want to learn that why I use call any to practice. I am a beginner and this is my learning journey. Let's start. Open. वीडियो कॉल में ऐसा ही वर्क नहीं करती सो ओपन ऑडियो ये हो जाएगा.
Oh, my day's been pretty good. I did some yoga this morning, which always helps me feel centered.
Hello call.
Then I got lost.
Hello Annie, how are you? Hello Annie, how are you?
Yoga this morning. Hey Theory's doing great, thanks for asking. Just enjoying a little downtime.
Annie,
How about you?
Annie, today I want to talk something with you. The topic is okay, the story behind the world favorite word. Do you ready?
Absolutely, I'm all ears. I love a good story, especially about something as universal as hello. What do you have for me?
So my first question is what is the meaning of the word, sorry, okay? What is the meaning of the word okay? Yeah.
Great question.
Yeah, please
Great question.
please reply me. What is
Of Kurseth word.
what is the meaning
It sounds like
of the word okay? What is the meaning of the word okay?
Gadith meaning of okay is basically a way to express agreement, acceptance, or that something is satisfactory. It's like giving a thumbs up. It can also mean that everything is fine or all is well. It's such a versatile little word, right? Do you use okay a lot in your conversations?
Thank you. So my next question is where did the word okay come from?
Great question. The word okay is thought to have originated in the United States in the 18s. It was popularized during the presidential campaign of Martin Van Buren Old Kinderhook because he was from Kinderhook, New York. Supporters used okay as a slogan to show their support. It's funny how a political campaign can lead to such a widely used word. What do you think about that connection?
Thank you, Annie. So my next question is who first used the word okay?
You're welcome. As for who first used okay, it's a bit tricky. It became widely known thanks to the old Kinderhook slogan during Martin Van Buren's campaign in 1840, but before that, it was used in various forms in newspapers and writings. One of the earliest known uses was in a Boston newspaper in 1839. It's fascinating how language evolves, isn't it? Do you have any more questions about okay or other words?
Yeah. My next question on okay is okay American or British?
Okay is primarily considered an American term, but it has been adopted widely around the world, including in British English. It's one of those words that has crossed borders and become a part of many languages. Isn't it cool how language can connect us? Do you find yourself using okay more in American or British contexts?
Live sorry.
No need to apologize. It's all part of the...
Thank you. The next question on okay is why do people use okay so much?
Great question. People use okay a lot because it's simple, quick, and versatile. It can express agreement, show that something is fine, or even acknowledge understanding without needing to say much more. Plus, it's easy to say and write. It's like the Swiss Army knife of words. Do you find yourself using okay in different ways?
My next question on okay is what are other words like okay?
There are quite a few words and phrases that are similar to okay. Some common ones include O'Neill read another way to say something is fine. Twas are used to express agreement. 3 fine indicates that something is acceptable. 4 cool a casual way to show approval. 5 egget it acknowledges understanding. Each of these has its own vibe, but they all serve a similar purpose. Do you have a favorite among these, or do you use a different one?
No, I use okay. So my next question is, can okay mean yes or no?
Okay generally means yes or agreement, but context is super important. Sometimes it can be used sarcastically or to mean not really, which might come off as a no in certain situations. It's all about the tone and context. Have you ever encountered a situation where okay felt a bit ambiguous?
Thank you, Colony. This is guys our today's session. Thank you for watching my video. I used Colony to learn English. I will speak practicing. See you next time. Bye bye.